So hello everyone. Today's video is going to be a very exciting as we kick off our first podcast series with a special guest Deepan here, and he runs an amazing YouTube channel related to Viva Vault, like me, and I'll share the link of his channel in the description section for you to check out. So I can talk the experience of Deepan little bit. So Deepan works as a Viva Vault architect with a leading multinational company based out in the USA with over 10 years of experience on the Viva Vault platform, and he has experience across various applications including RIM, CTMS, format, claims, and Medcoms. And he has delivered successful implementation for major client worldwide. So now, you guys are stay tuned as we deep dive into this series with Deepan and uncover some incredible insight of Viva CRM. So now, there are questions we can discuss in this session. I can talk about the first question. We can discuss that what is Vault CRM and why they are migrating from Viva Salesforce to CRM. So Deepan, now over to you.
Thanks, Anirban, for introducing me and giving this opportunity to do the collaboration with you. Yeah, let's get started. So the question is about Vault CRM. So many people already been working for Viva CRM. So for them, the point is Viva CRM is going to get migrated to Vault CRM. Why the changes is happening without doing the Viva Salesforce. So Viva is having the Salesforce tie-up, and they are breaking the tie-up by 2025. So it is hardly like 5 years it will completely take to completely migrating to Viva CRM to the Vault CRM. So that is the reason the migration, everything gets started. So Vault CRM already been prepared by the Viva systems, and the applications are already been available, and people are started utilizing about that. So what is the difference between Viva CRM and Vault CRM? Viva CRM is a Salesforce application, and that has the tie-up with Viva. So completely, who has the people has the knowledge in Salesforce, they can use this Viva CRM and work on that application. Now, people who has the knowledge in Vault, that is a Viva Vault, they can easily access this Vault CRM application and they can utilize that.
Okay. I think great. And I also heard that I just adding some point that the majority of this migration now that will be occur between 26 to 29, right? And
Yes,
I
the plan.
think the with the goal of completing all the transition at least by 2030.
Yes, as they mentioned before 2025, they are ready with the application in hand, and I think some of the videos has been already shared from the Vault site. But the migration help everything will be done by the Viva systems for migrating from Viva CRM to Vault CRM in the next 5 years.
Correct, correct. Okay, so let's get back to that next question then.
Mhm.
So next question is what are the application gonna get advantage about that?
So the application's gonna get advantage. So Viva CRM is basically for the commercial applications, not for the regulatory, clinical, or quality. So this is completely for the commercial end. So whatever the commercial applications that Viva is providing for the pharma companies, like Promomats, Medcoms, Promomats, like that, multiple applications we have for the commercial application. So all the Vault applications, which is in the commercial area, that will be always been integrated to the CRM, that is a Salesforce. So because the drug has to be sold to the end user, that is the patients, using the doctors and HCPs. So for that, they are connecting all the application, that is integrating all the applications to the Viva CRM, and then from the Viva CRM, it is being delivered to the patients like Salesforce application. So most of the commercial applications integrated to this Viva CRM will be getting affected. So there is no, as I have seen from the video, the Vault CRM is a separate application. So that definitely there again the integration will be there between the Promomats to Vault CRM and Medcoms to Vault CRM. There is not an
But in
inbuilt.
the same ecosystem, I can say.
As I
currently,
explained,
which
it
is
was a
now
Vault
different.
to
Yeah,
Vault.
correct, correct.
So previously, if you see Vault to CRM, the CRM will be pulling most of the data from the promomats. In case if any failure happens, they will be providing a CRM publishing tab. So there is an option to push the documents as well. So the major documents I will say is closed loop marketing. That is a CLM, which is a slides they will call presentation. And the second one is approved emails. The approved emails are the letters to the doctors or a draft version of a HTML file that will be delivered to what other doctors are available. It will be sending across. So people who are learning the having the knowledge in creating the email templates, they should have the now getting the knowledge in the Vault CRM as well to display it to the doctors for sending at least to the doctors. So
Great.
mostly the people who has worked in the approved email templates as well as the CLM templates who are worked in the CRM side, they should need to learn the knowledge in the Vault area
And
as
that is part of Promomat, right?
that is a part of Promomats.
Great.
Again, with the Medcoms, again the integrations will be there.
Mm-hmm.
But everything coming conclusion, it will be in the CRM side. Whoever has the knowledge in creating and sending the documents or preparing the slides and showing to the customers, they should get the knowledge in Vault CRM as well.
Great. I think one of the example I would like to add here that now promotional material can move seamlessly from creation to distribution
Mm.
without manual data synchronization, right?
Yes, correct.
Correct. And also, I think as part of Medcom now, the medical inquiry data managed in Volt Medcoms now integrated directly with customer data in Volt CRM, and
Mm.
which is ensured that accurate, timely response to healthcare professional.
Okay.
Okay. Great. So, is there any other thought regarding that question, or do you want me to
No, that
go to the
is.
next
I
question?
think this is enough. Yeah.
Great, great. Okay. So now the next question we can talk about that is migration already started, and how many organizations are started with that?
So while I have seen the release notes and some of the mentioned documents and the links, I can see more than 10 companies, I mean the pharma companies, has already started doing the migration with help of Viva systems. And
Hmm.
since they already have all the Vault applications from the R&D area till the commercial area, most of the big pharmas are currently using Viva systems, so they are ready to migrate it to Vault CRM. And some of the companies still thinking whether Vault CRM will be good or how to take it up to the customers. So customers who usually work in the same application for years, it is tough for them to accumulate to the new system, right? So that is the reason some of the companies are thinking and verifying the sandbox application and trying to showcasing to the customers. But I can see around 10 plus companies have already started with the migration, and people who are working in Viva CRM already started learning the Vault applications. So even if you see in my
Hmm.
organization, I used to provide trainings to people
Hmm.
like freshers, new people who wants to learn about Vault, and who
Hmm.
are is working in Salesforce. They were ready to take up these trainings. So we will be providing the admin level Vault trainings, and then
Hmm.
they can able to work on the starting with the users and groups creation, and then they
Hmm.
will be slowly moving into the migration, configuration, integration, all these areas. So
Correct.
L2 and
Now,
L3 areas. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Now I think people now, let's say I'm just talking about one fresher, right? So now when they are getting, sandbox access, or let's say, yeah, sandbox access, then day by day, then started with, L2, L3 development activity, and then day by day they are learning migration, and now they are helping their client to, the migrate their, any other CRM to Volt CRM.
Yes.
Yes, what you said,
But
right?
definitely for a CRM
Mm-hmm.
resource like Viva CRM, a person has worked. Definitely for them, this Vault knowledge is going to help them out. So if they are learning the Vault, definitely they can work on the Vault CRM by themselves without any Vault person intervention. So that's the reason most of the Viva CRM resources started taking up the trainings, I
I
can
think
say.
that's a great opportunity for them even, because now in 5 years, lot of client, they are moving their CRM to full CRM, right? That is a great opportunity, I would say. And just bringing that point for particular client, right? Sometimes they are confusing that what CRM tool is beneficial for them. They are going to be moved to whole CRM, or they are just moved to any other CRM. So what is your thought? Means what is the means where the client currently is going with? Do you have any thought on that?
That is the reason. That is the main point.
Hmm.
Is we already have the Vault applications in hand, and
Hmm.
integration point of view also, it will be better with the Vault CRM. So it is a
Hmm.
Vault to Vault integration. It is pretty simplified. So you have to create a Java SDK codes for
Hmm.
connecting the documents. That is pretty simplified. In case if you are taking up any other downstream applications, so you
Hmm.
have to use another technology or integration tools like MuleSoft or
Hmm.
SnapLogic tool to integrate the applications. So then the effort and taking up the responsibilities and what are the feasibilities, everything you have to take it up in your mind. So some of them is not feasible to integrate. Then it is tougher for the integration people also to take it. And while they are taking up without a
Hmm.
Vault CRM, again with a separate Salesforce application or any other CRM application, so you should have to take up yeah, additional resources for that separate project. So again, the Vault resources you cannot be able to utilize. So even while I seen a couple of years back, so people who are working in the commercial applications like Promats or Medcoms, we have provided a cross training to them to learn Viva CRM, like a Salesforce application, so that these people can be utilized for the CRM activities as well as for the Vault activities. That's how we can give the very good cost savings to the company. So always
Great.
it is beneficial if it is with the same application, because they are not going to change the Promats or Medcoms to other applications for this Viva CRM migration. So I believe this is coolest part is already they have the Promats resources. They will be started working on the Vault CRM, and then the Viva CRM resources also will get understanding in the Vault, and they can work on that.
Good to know. Good to know. Thanks, Deepan, for answering this question. And I think in my mind there are other question as well related to user interface. So, is there any user interface changing when that is migrating to Vault CRM from Viva CRM? Do you know that?
That's what the user interface inside the front end view, right?
Correct. Correct. Exactly.
That is definitely going to be the challenging one. It will be completely
Hmm.
changed to a vault view. But whoever
Hmm.
has the Promats or any other vault application, the look and feel will be same for the Vault CRM also. So only things are some of them are customized, or like in Promats I can see portals. So portals is kind of a you'll be finding a cover page and search option, everything like a Facebook interface it will be. Okay, people who work on portals, they will work only on the portal application. So for a particular product, they will use that particular portal. Same way for the Vault CRM, if it is an approved email, it looks like a single portal where people can drag and drop some of the email templates, and they are pushing that to multiple mail IDs, like multiple doctors from the MDM, like a golden data, and where more than 1,000 or 20,000 doctor email IDs will be configured, and the first name, last name will be auto loaded, and then these HTML templates will get auto populated, and then the email templates will be going to be passed. So the look and feel of the application will be same across all the Vault applications.
Hmm.
Only thing, the customization will be there definitely for each and every application. It will vary. So
And that's fact.
what I
Yeah.
seen is the portal kind of feature is showing in the Wall CRM. Yeah, even I have to take up some sandbox and have to look
Hmm.
into that. I didn't get a chance. Yes, yet.
Great. Great. Good to know that. I think we have pretty much covered about most of the Vault CRM related question.
And I have few questions that we have discussed previously about the AI use cases for Vault. You
Mhm.
have good knowledge about the AI, I believe. You can share your thoughts that will be helpful for the people who are watching this video.
Yeah, definitely. So I think yes. So AI is now buzzword, and everyone now using that AI terms, right? So now most of the application that is benefiting after using that AI tools, and that is integrating with Viva as well, right? So now Viva is actively working on AI tools to enhance their platform offerings, and they focusing on improving their efficiency, compliance, and customer engagement in life science industry. So the some key area where Viva now leveraging AI, right? I can discuss that. First, let's say the content automation and tagging, and that is applicable to Viva World Promo. So how that is happening? So now AI used to automatically tag promotional material with metadata, ensuring that compliance and simplifying content search. So now the pharmaceutical company now they can quickly review and approve marketing content by using AI to flag potential compliance issue and ensure proper categorization. So that is one of the use case, and then other use case I can talk about that is applicable to Medcom. Now AI powered chatbot and tools that is help in handling routine medical inquiries from healthcare professionals. Now if I
Mhm.
talk about the use case, then HCP asked to detailed question about drug side effect. Now AI analyze previous similar inquiries and provide a draft response for medical review, and which reducing the response time. And also in my mind there are another AI use case I can talk about for Vault CRM. That is that a sales reps now logs into Vault CRM and sees that AI generated suggestion for their next best action, such as scheduling a meeting with high priority doctor. That is one of the use cases I can talk about related to that AI leveraging with Viva.
That will be beneficial for the end users and customers who are keep doing the same iterative activities, believe, right?
Exactly. So AI is, a friend for human, I would say.
Mhm.
So basically, that way I mean, I can look that AI.
It's good to know. Yeah. And I believe you have some 6+ years experience in Viva.
I think 4 plus.
Four
So it
plus.
it is
Okay.
4 plus. Yes.
Four
So I
plus.
have total 4 years of 4 plus of years of real world experience, and I handle development, and I worked as a support team member L2 L3, and
Mm.
also I work in migration project, and also I supported validation and testing side as well. So in my journey, so I have total 4 years of experience, and that 4 years I fully started with Viva, and now also I'm working in Viva domain only, and I work across REAM, CTMS, and QMS application till now. So I love to work with many application like POM at Medcoms like you, but
Mm.
definitely I'm waiting for the chance.
Yes. So person who has the admin knowledge, they can work on any application. As I always
Yeah,
say to my yeah, people who watches my video, you should not have only the experience only in the document configuration, but also should have the object configuration. So most of the R&D areas will have the object configurations activities, so that you should be capable of. And people who are working in the L3 activities, they will not take up this API activities since they don't have that work. So they have to parallelly start brushing themselves using a developer.vivaworld.com. So everything is there from the Viva side. They are providing whatever things you want to learn. If you have a sandbox application, you can take it up and start looking into that. So that's how you can improve your knowledge in the REST API, the backend activities, whatever it's simplified that we have to suggest to the customers. So
exactly.
that is what I used to do, like a feasibility check, anything comes up. So this is a better way to do that. And many end users will not know about that. Okay, we can do that using a bulk action or a loader. They will not be mostly know about that. They will be keep doing
Even
the iterative
not try
activities.
even. Yeah,
Yeah.
an
So that's
interesting
how,
story.
while we are
Yeah.
talking with the customers, we should not
Mhm.
only resolve the issues. but also we have to give a suggestion how you are taking care of these activities, and if you are helping them out, that is going to be a productive area. So keep starting
Exactly,
with the
exactly.
L2 and go with the L3 activities, and brush yourselves. Yeah.
And definitely I also try to just that is in my 2025 thought that at least I started learning about some development activity, because I came from that core IT background, so I have a little bit development knowledge as well. But yeah, in Viva Vault API side I have not explored, but yeah, I really like to explore. I think we are pretty much cover all the aspect. Is there any key takeaway you want to share with audience or anything,
Uh,
online,
I think
offline?
we have given more than that, I think. So
Yes,
yeah, let's see more videos and start learning the vault from the L2 activities, and using the sandbox, let them upgrade to L3 activities. That's what everyone needs to go with the vault.
definitely, definitely. And Deepan, if you share with the audience that your YouTube channel name, they can feel free to search there, and you also visit your channel as well, because you and me mostly talking about Viva stuff, so that helpful for audience as well. If you share your YouTube channel name with the audience,
Yeah, it
what
is
is that?
learn more about Viva. That is a
Learn.
YouTube channel name. Yeah,
Yeah.
people can see
Okay.
that.
Mhm.
Thanks.
And my YouTube channel also, people, I think they are know mostly that only TikTok. So I'm also talking most of the Salesforce and Viva related stuff. Yeah. So for audience, I would suggest that you can feel free to watch that both the channel. I think we are trying to be at least share some good insight for you related to Viva and Salesforce stuff.
And
Thank you.
please add your
Yeah.
comments.
Yeah.
Please add
Yeah.
your
Definitely.
comments so that we will try to put more videos about that in the future.
Exactly. And also you can we have to understand that what actually people's need.
Hmm, that's
Yeah,
right.
that's good point, Dipan.
Thanks, Anirban.
Thank you. Nice to talk with you, man.
Yeah, nice
See
talking
you
to you.
soon.
See you.
Bye.